In this video, we will look at some of the best food processors on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. Okay, so let's get started. Number 1. Hamilton 70730 Beach Food Processor. Meet the Hamilton Beach Food Processor and Vegetable Chopper, your ultimate kitchen multitasker. Sleek, functional, and packed with features, it's designed to save you time and effort while delivering professional results. Whether you're prepping a quick salad, shredding veggies, or pureeing for soup, this food processor is up for the challenge. Time-saving innovation, built-in bowl scraper. Gone are the days of stopping mid-process to scrape down the sides. With its built-in bowl scraper, this processor ensures every bit of your ingredients gets incorporated without the hassle of removing the lid. Whether it's chunky salsa or a silky puree, the scraper does the heavy lifting. Versatility redefined. Equipped with 2 versatile attachments, a stainless steel slicing/shredding disc and a chopping/pureeing blade, this food processor is your all-in-one tool. From shredding carrots to mixing dough, the possibilities are endless. The 450-watt motor provides enough power to handle tough ingredients like nuts or dense root vegetables with ease. Perfect for every recipe. Control is key, and Hamilton Beach delivers with 2 speeds plus a pulse function. Use the low setting for delicate chopping or switch to high for more power-intensive tasks. The generous 10-cup bowl capacity makes it easy to tackle large batches, while the large feed chute reduces prep time by accommodating whole fruits and vegetables. Effortless cleaning. Hate the post-cooking mess? All removable parts are dishwasher safe, and the BPA-free food zones add peace of mind. Cleanup is quick and hassle-free, giving you more time to enjoy your creations. For its price and features, the Hamilton Beach Food Processor is a stellar addition to any kitchen. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a busy home cook, this powerful, versatile, and easy-to-clean appliance simplifies meal prep. Number 2. KitchenAid 13-Cup Food Processor. When it comes to versatility and precision, the KitchenAid 13-Cup Food Processor stands in a league of its own. Designed to streamline your cooking process, this sleek and powerful appliance is a dream for both casual cooks and culinary enthusiasts. With its intuitive design and impressive features, meal prep has never been this effortless. Innovative all-in-one storage. Say goodbye to clutter. The in-bowl storage caddy neatly organizes all blades and discs directly inside the processor. This convenient feature ensures you'll never have to hunt for attachments again, keeping everything within reach. Precision at your fingertips. The standout exact slice disc lets you adjust slicing thickness externally. Whether you need wafer-thin cucumbers or thick potato slices, achieving the perfect cut is as simple as a twist of a dial. Hassle-free assembly and cleaning. KitchenAid makes setup and cleanup effortless with its snap-and-go work bowl. The one-click bowl assembly eliminates tricky twists, while the leak-resistant bowl allows you to clean up quickly. Just add warm water, a drop of dish soap, and watch it sparkle. Maximum efficiency. The 3-in-1 feed tube handles ingredients of all shapes and sizes, minimizing prep time. Whether you're processing tomatoes, potatoes, or cucumbers, this feature works wonders to keep your cooking process smooth and efficient. Versatility meets power. From chopping and shredding to kneading and mixing, this processor does it all. Number 3. GE 12-Cup Food Processor. Meet the GE 12-Cup Food Processor, a robust and versatile kitchen essential that takes your meal prep to the next level. Designed for power, convenience, and performance, this appliance is perfect for everything from shredding cheese to preparing dough and even tackling cooked chicken. Superior power for tough tasks. The 550-watt motor sets this food processor apart, easily handling tough ingredients like root vegetables, nuts, and cooked meats. Whether you're blending, shredding, or kneading, its power ensures consistent and efficient results every time. Spacious 12-cup capacity. The 12-cup capacity bowl with an ergonomic handle is perfect for large families or meal prepping. Need a smaller batch? The included mini chopping bowl is ideal for single servings or smaller recipes. Cleanup is a breeze since all removable parts are dishwasher safe. Effortless control with 3 speeds. Simple yet effective, the 3-speed control, high, low, and pulse, makes this food processor intuitive to use. Switch seamlessly between speed settings for precise control, whether you're pureeing a sauce or shredding ingredients for a hearty salad. Time-saving large feed tube. The large feed tube eliminates the need for pre-cutting, accommodating whole fruits and vegetables. Save time while enjoying consistent results with less hassle. The GE 12-cup food processor combines power, convenience, and versatility, making it a must-have for your kitchen. Number 4. Cuisinart Core Custom 13-Cup Food Processor. Introducing the Cuisinart FP130 AG Core Custom Food Processor, where sleek design meets multifunctional performance. With its 13-cup capacity and innovative motor platform, this food processor is a one-stop solution for your culinary needs. From chopping to slicing, shredding, and beyond, this appliance is built to simplify meal prep and expand your kitchen capabilities. Unmatched power and performance. The 950-watt motor delivers superior power, making light work of tough ingredients like nuts, dense vegetables, and more. Whether you're crafting delicate dough or chunky salsas, this food processor handles it all with ease and precision. Modern design and intuitive controls. The sleek contemporary design in anchor gray adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen. Equipped with easy-to-use control paddles, mix, low, high, and pulse, you get total control over the consistency of your recipes. Built to last with peace of mind. The BPA-free construction ensures food safety, while the limited 3-year warranty gives you confidence in your purchase. Refer to the user manual for troubleshooting and warranty details. The Cuisinart Core Custom 13-Cup Food Processor is more than just a food prep tool. It's a multifunctional system designed to grow with your culinary ambitions. Number 5. Breville Sous Chef Pro 16-Cup Food Processor. Transform your kitchen into a professional workspace with the Breville Sous Chef Pro 16-Cup Food Processor. Designed for home chefs who demand versatility, precision, and power, this appliance is the ultimate meal prep solution. With its sleek black sesame finish and advanced features, it's as functional as it is stylish. Professional-grade performance. At the heart of this processor is a 1200-watt induction motor, delivering high torque and direct drive power to tackle the toughest ingredients. From kneading dense dough to turning nuts into creamy nut butter, this workhorse ensures consistent results every time. Extra large capacity and versatility. The 16-cup, 3.6-liter bowl is perfect for large recipes, while the included mini bowl handles smaller portions with ease. Whether you're prepping a feast or making a quick batch of pesto, this processor has you covered. We hope you enjoyed our video and think you liked the products we selected. Let me know in the comments which product you liked the most. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching the full video.